Let me summarize my BMI framework. For building sustainable health habits, starting is always the hardest. Start small, start easy. Make the healthier choice the easier choice. And lastly, doing something is better than doing nothing. Success starts from the inside out, not by becoming a new person, but by building a person you can trust.
He shared about his transformation. Previously, he was about 100 kilos, and now through his transformation regime and his habits behavior, he has actually transformed himself. You can see the before and the after effect, and you can see that it has been effective and useful. So I urge anyone who is keen to make him as a reference, and if you want any coaching tips, feel free to approach Siang.